Small islands developing states are extremely vulnerable to the impacts of climate change. This vulnerability threatens the very existence of some nations. The intensity and frequency of natural disasters is increasing annually. Increasing droughts and water scarcity, coastal flooding and erosion, changes in rainfall that affect ecosystems, forestry, and food production and have adverse impacts on human health. Now, to assist SIDS to implement climate actions, the government of Luxembourg, through the Ministry of Environment, Climate and Biodiversity, has embarked on a mission. In June 2023, Luxembourg signed a new agreement with the Global Green Growth Institute, or GGGI, to implement the Small Islands Developing States Climate Action Program, SIDS-CAP.
So this very successful collaboration led recently to Luxembourg entering another strategic partnership with GGGI aimed at addressing the urgent climate needs of small island developing states in the Pacific and Caribbean regions. Through this collaboration, GGGI's SIDS Climate Action Program, SIDS-CAP, will be strengthened and expanded, delivering impactful climate adaptation and mitigation efforts in the SIDS countries.
The 5-year program will support 14 countries in the Pacific and 6 countries in the Caribbean through GGGI to achieve 3 main goals: strengthen policy and green growth planning, mobilize climate finance and green investment, enhance individual and institutional capacity.
This program is going to make such a difference to people's lives. This year I visited the Pacific. I saw devastation of cyclones and coastal erosion firsthand. Working with the government of Luxembourg, our Pacific Island members, and key stakeholders in the communities, this program will uplift 400,000 people and make them more resilient to climate change and its impacts. It's going to make such a difference and transform people's everyday lives.
GGGI delivers multiple regional programs that are supporting Pacific and Caribbean SIDS access, absorb, and implement climate finance.
GGGI was continuing to partner with us to this date, and they provided regulatory support, market assessments, also done good work with communication and outreach, and also policy dialogue. And we're particularly pleased with the level of support and the nature of the support. And I also want to mention that support has been provided with regard to our governance framework, the Solar Challenge. So in closing, I would really like to express gratitude to the government of Luxembourg for the support provided through the SIDS program.
Through this partnership, small island developing states in the Pacific and the Caribbean know that they are not alone in this battle to save our islands from the ongoing impacts of climate change.